Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by my hairstyle, it's very similar to how I had it in my last Titanic video. If you guys have not seen my last Titanic video, make sure you do. It is so much fun and a lot of you guys have already enjoyed it, but if you're new, do not miss it if you love Titanic, because I am showing you guys so many Titanic memorabilia in my collection, and I've honestly added on so much more to that collection since that video. And so in this video, I'm going to show you another part of my collection that I've added on to, and that is another replica costume. It is Rose's final dress, her sink dress, the final outfit that Rose wears in the movie Titanic. The final outfit that she wears is this really beautiful wool pink coat with black detailing and a beautiful pastel dress that is made out of like one of the most hardest fabrics to ever use on a dress. Like, that fabric just rips apart, and mine has been made out of the same fabric and it's already kind of ripping apart a little bit because it's just that hard to sew with. So that dress, wow, the movie itself had so many versions of that dress, just replica after replica, because it kept breaking apart and getting all messed up during filming. So that dress is a very hard dress to find because of that reason, especially if you want a replica with that fabric. And I finally found one of my good friends who does dresses, and he was able to recreate it the best of his ability to make it look pretty spot on. Like, it's really close. And the coat I found on Etsy from a seller, and she did an amazing job as well. So I'm going to be showing you guys these dresses and going into more detail about them and just giving you guys some Titanic history and all that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the coat first, and ooh, let me back up a little bit because it's big, and I'm going to actually put on the entire outfit very soon here, but I just want to show you what it looks like. It is so, like, holy crap, is this like a perfect replica, and it fits me perfectly. So this coat, actually, for Rose in the movie, they made it like an extra large, which is just definitely not her size. That way she looked more vulnerable and innocent and helpless in the shot. So that's why her coat was oversized, and mine has been made oversized as well. And it's really pretty because it has this black detailing around the collar and also around the cuffs, the sleeves. And this was like really beautifully sewn on with black stitching. So this is just gorgeous, and honestly it's perfect for the winter. I'm really excited to wear it for the winter because it's actually like legitimately a jacket. Like, it's really warm and it fits me beautifully. So I'm really excited the way it turned out. Everything is just like, holy moly, it's beautiful. And this was definitely one of my favorite pieces of Rose's dress in the movie, or of Rose's outfits in the movie. I just love that pastel combination she threw on. It was just so perfect and so me, so I had to have it. And I'm really glad, after honestly years of searching, to find two people who can make this come to life. So this is the first one. This is the jacket that goes on over the pastel dress, the sink dress. And I'm gonna go ahead and bring out the main event, the dress. Okay, so here is the sink dress. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it as I show you like the details of it. So first of all, as you can tell, it is all pastel pink. It's very innocent and sweet, and that also plays into the desire for her character to look just helpless. So that is the reason why they chose the color scheme. And it's very different from what she was wearing throughout the entire movie. She was wearing, you know, dark blue, like a velvety red like this. She wore, you know, she did wear a light yellowish green dress, but that was also in a scene where she needed to look helpless. So it seemed that they put dark colors on her to make her look like a powerful figure when she needed to be, and they put light colors on her when she needed to be helpless and innocent. So that was the choice behind the color design. And this is a really beautiful piece in general because this was hand dipped. I'm gonna get a close-up so that way you guys can see. This was hand dipped in pastel pink and pastel lavender, so it goes from white to those colors. So this dress is made out of chiffon, just like the original dress in Titanic. Now this fabric was chosen simply because it flows just so wonderfully. They wanted it to look really pretty in the water and they didn't want it to weigh her down. So when you see her in the water, it's just running, and it played onto the part of her innocence and elegance and beauty. So there was a lot of thought going behind the making of this amazing, beautiful dress, and as you can tell, it is a lot of people's favorites for that reason, and it was well worth the work. But yeah, that is some history behind the making of this dress, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them on so that way you can see what the entire outfit looks like on me. So yeah, let's do it. Let's try it on. Can I go out in this forever, every day? Because I will. I will. Whew. Oh. And something ripped a little bit. And that is the struggle of why they needed to make like a bajillion versions of this dress for the movie, because look how easy it was to just rip it by putting on a jacket. Alright. Oh my god. Ah! It's, oh my god. Are you kidding me? It literally goes down to the dress perfectly. Like, it fits. It's like so well tailored. Oh my god, are you kidding? I've actually never put it on together because I wanted to do this on camera. So now that I have it on together, I'm like dying right now. Look at it. Oh my god. Alright, so here it is. This is the final outfit of Rose's endeavors on the Titanic. This is what she sank in. Well, actually, she took this off at some point, but you know what I mean. This was the final outfit. Wow. Who would have thought this day would come? 8-year-old me did not. TikTok right now, actually. I'm gonna make a TikTok. Follow me on TikTok at jbunsey. I have done a lot of vintage related stuff, and I think I'm gonna do a Titanic one right now because I already have it on and I have my hair done kind of like Rose. I wish I had it down. I didn't think about that. I was thinking about her dinner hair. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Yay. To work. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more Titanic related videos such as fun facts, or if you guys just want to see more of my collection, just let me know in the comment section below and like this video so I know. And make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell for more vintage and princess content like this so I can see you in my next video.